Well, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the front light covering of the Audi A3 2016. Since it's already dismantled, I'll show you. We have a lock here, a lock here, a lock here, one here at the tip, and some more locks in the lower area. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's simply fitted. So I'm going to pre-fit it here so you can see what it looks like, okay? In order to remove what's necessary, you will use a plastic spatula. You will first fit it here on this edge. You will pull to release the first clip here at the bottom. You will lift this part at the back, and then you will release the clips at the top. So, you will rest it here in the middle, push downwards to release the first, second, third, and fourth clips. Then the top and side will be loose. Next, you'll go to the bottom and insert the key here. Apply pressure to lift it so it can let go. There are the 3 locks at the bottom. When it comes forward, you pull it gently with the piece at an angle, since it has a fitting here at the side end, which is this small fit here, this small hole. So we have a lock here at this small hole, a lock here, another here, and a lock here at the tip, and these ones at the bottom. Now I'm going to reassemble them, so you can see how the finish is reassembled. For those who want to change it, in this case the light bulb, there's a screw here. If you loosen this screw, the front light comes out in one piece. And if you loosen this other screw here, just these two, the headlight will come out completely in your hand, and then you can change the bulb. The entire front light will be outside of the car. Alright guys, later on I might make a video on how to dismantle the car's headlight. But today it's for those who want to install LEDs or other bulbs here, or for those who simply want to remove this finish that's broken. Something like I'm going to remove, okay? So here's the finish. And the clips, as I mentioned, at the ends are these fixtures that you have to keep in mind, and these top fixtures in these gaps where the clips are also adjusted at the bottom, alright? So, I'm going to put it all back together now. Okay, so, as I mentioned, first this side pin. It's the guide pin here at the tip of the bumper. We fit it there, and then we continue fixing the rest. Ready, the finish is fitted again, all set, focus here, the trim looks good, side finish looks good, bottom finish is perfect. No loose gaps, and you have to aim these fixtures correctly at the tip of the trim. So, Totally separated, completely assembled for those who want to learn how to change the finish, or the finish has gone missing, or for those who want to change the bulb from the mile. That's how you do it. Great. Did you like the video? Like, share, subscribe to the channel. The only one in Brazil to make this type of content, Noble Motorsport. Here, talking to you about Noble Coding.